Well, welcome back to Shane's Hobby Shop. Today, we got another unboxing to do. Yeah, that's right. We got another unboxing to do. This one again comes from Amazon. Got a nice little smiley box to it. Love it. This one you really can't tell what's inside of it. It does feel nice and heavy, but there's nothing that indicates on what's inside. That's what I like about shipping from Amazon. They come in a plain box. Really nice. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what's inside of it. Nice packing, air bubble, I guess you call these air bubbles. Okay, we got 4 little boxes here. Let's see if I can stand them up so you can see them. This is Loftech. It just shows some information over on it from loftech.us. Alright, let's go ahead and see what's inside this box. You open it up, got you a little congratulations card, little light bulb. Pretty cute, I like that. And got your little lighting fact. This is a 2400 aluminum light bulb. And a very simple, easy to follow instruction guide. So easy, there's only 1 page. So yeah, I can handle that. Very simple. Alright, let's see what it is. And here it is. This is an LED shop light. I'm going to use it for my shop. I got a couple of them. I'm going to be installing them in my shop. This is LED. Again, they are 2400 aluminum, and the color is 5000K. Bright white, bright daylight, bright white, something like that. Yeah. This is from the company SANSI. I actually got me a couple of them. Like I said, I'm going to put them in my shop. I do got some dark areas in my shop, so I'm going to be showing you some before shots of my shop and then some after when I get this installed. As you can tell, it's going to be very simple installation. It's going to be going into a normal household light socket. There's nothing special you got to run. Just your regular lights that you got right now. This is LED, so it will be lasting a long time. Got some good weight to it. The plastic is nothing thin. You can tell it's not cheaply made. So yeah, let's go ahead and I'm going to run some wiring and put up some new light boxes, and let's put these up and see how they work in the shop. Alright, let's get to this. Okay, this is my shop. As you can tell, I do got some lights in here. Some of them don't even work. I got over here is a real dark spot. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but I got a light up here. Don't even work. One on the opposite side still don't work. And I mean, it's just got dark spots all over. Where the lights do work at, they're not all that bright. Even here, as you can tell, we're still in the dark. Alright, so what I plan on doing is I'm going to rip all of this down, put in new electrical, new boxes, new everything. But I'll do that off camera because I'm not a licensed electrician and I don't want anybody to follow the steps I do on this electricity and hurt yourself. Alright, so I'm going to do that off camera, but I'll come back with the lights all up and show you how much brighter this will be. Alright, so let's get busy. Well, okay, here you go. I got the shop lights up. It was pretty simple. All I got to do is just run new wiring, put new light fixtures up, and each one of these LEDs can control with its own little switch. And also I can turn it off by the main power switch by the door. But yeah, very nice. It's very bright in here now. I really like it. Well, there you go. Finally got the lights up, and it is nice and bright in here. I really do like it. Now, if you want to get these lights for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description below to where you can go into Amazon and buy these lights yourself from SANSI, the same people that these lights came from. Alright, and also I'll leave a link in the little pop-up right here to where you can go and check out another light from SANSI that I got from not too long ago. That's just like my backyard. It is the motion sensor light, security light. Very nice, very bright. I highly recommend all these lights that SANSI has. Alright, so go and click on the links in below. Go buy some of these lights for yourself. And go ahead and give me a thumbs up on this video, alright? And tell me hi or something, you don't know. Alright, just say hi to me and let me know you see the video. Alright, my name's Shane, and this is the new Shane's Hobby Shop. We'll see you next time.